Power BI skill is for non-coding background. And maybe if you want to get it transition from one domain to the another domain, yes, this is for you. And maybe you have currently also Microsoft, what they are doing in the sense that if there is any career gaps for exclusively for the women's, so those particular things also they're trying to get it added in the Power BI part. So career gap people also they can try to get it explore on Power BI and they can start working on the real-time activities too. And majorly, if you're observing, so maybe you want to switch your IT career from coding part to this data analytics. Yes, this is the right time to change your course term to the data analytics, where it is a kind of a completely low code platform. So you cannot work on the very huge number, huge lines of code of writing on like example Python or maybe the R languages. So here you can try to feel something like a less coding, like maybe you are going to work with some formulas kind of a thing. And coming to the freshers, it is something maybe I will partially support for the freshers. This is not a direct fresher kind of job roles on Power BI. We don't have it current active current year. I mean current setup as well. So maybe if you want to get it explore and start as an intern kind of a things, yes, this is possible, and this course is for you, and they can also learn on Power BI part as well. So some internships, some companies are offering, so they can try to get it explore on this Power BI. They can start working on this Power BI front end tool as well. So building the data visualizations and getting the data sets and analyzing the data, how we are going to get it and what kind of a fields we are going to make use of it and so on. Fun. So coming to the background, if you're observing, there is no particular background people have to learn this Power BI codes. It's for everyone. So any organization, they want to utilize a front-end BI tool, business intelligence tool. So they can try to convert the legacy information in the form of a pictorial, like a graphical representation, like a visual kind of a representation. So whether you are a banker side or maybe you are into the artist or college freshers, as I said in the previous slide, or maybe you are already Power BI developer, you want to get it explore more onto the DAX, advanced DAX, or maybe the project related scenario part, or maybe if you're looking for the certification level PL300, this is kind of a mix of from start to end. If you have a base knowledge on Excel and SQL part, then it is as simple as easy to pick this particular Power BI application and try to build on your own visualizations too. There is no something like a restriction, or else there is no something like a stopping point. If you want to get it explore on Power BI as a front end tool. And one more thing, if you have any queries, please unmute yourself one by one, raise your hand or else digitally, so that I can take your queries too. Make it as an interactive session instead of just maybe I will just try to share the screen and doing the step by step of presentation things.